Well, Coasters, one of the best presentations I saw in Dunedin at the Minerals Conference was actually presented by Richard Taken, the Chief Executive of Bathurst Resources. And I've sought permission to share the presentation with you. Gives you an indication of the forecasted coal production under Bathurst management and from the various sites that they own and control. The slide talks about their share price and how they manage their capital. Move on to the key results for the 2019 year. 54 million of EBITDA, pretty outstanding result. Part of his presentation was on the high standards that Bathurst achieves in health and safety. And moving into the EBITDA projections for the next full year, and have a look at the figures. It's a magnificent performer. Richard gave us details on the one dispute within the organisation, which is under appeal in the Court of Appeal. Then moved on to talk about the exports from Stockton and production for the full year, 1.1 million tonnes. Talked about unlocking the synergies that exist by merging Bathurst's existing Buller Plateau assets with Bathurst Mining's assets. And if you're living in the Buller, it would be reasonable to expect this project to go on for the next 30 years. He went on and talked about the organic growth of Stockton. And as you can see, there are a number of different mining cuts there. And they've got 18.3 million tonnes of coal just in this resource. And it's some of the highest quality coal in the world. He talked about the export of coal from Westport. You know, it's got very low ash content, low phosphorus, and it's brilliant coal to blend to upgrade coal of a lower quality. Richard then went on to talk about the export markets, did a market summary. Chinese domestic production down a bit due to health and safety concerns. Extremely strong steel demand in Japan and India. And some logistics disruptions in Australia, which have created short-term supply squeeze, which is an opportunity for Bathurst that I'm sure they've done very well out of. Then talked about the open cut domestic mines, cost of production, what the margin is, high quality, low ash coal. And then the development plan at Rotowaro. Exploration's been going on for over 12 months. He talked about the Crown Mountain Canadian Growth Project, which is a joint venture in Canada. And then looked at Bathurst's long-term company growth. So, it started off at the worst of times, at a time when commodity prices plunged. And there's no question that as a financial performer, it's doing extremely well. And he finished off with the contents statement. So there we go, folks. Let's take you right back to the beginning. That was Bathurst Resources' presentation to the 2019 Minerals Forum. I rated it the best that I've seen. And as a company, I'm very excited about what they offer the coast. We'll catch you later.